Welcome back, student. In this video I'm going to make you understand about screenshot and chart. It is supposed to be a big video, but it's not going to be. The reason is being I have explained chart already in Excel. I believe that you have gone through the videos of Excel and after that you have came here, and if it is not the case and if you want to learn chart, then go to the Excel videos and go for the chart options because those are similar. However, if you have created a chart in Excel, you can simply do the copy paste in this document file or a PowerPoint file. You can create chart over here also and the options will remain same. So how to create, I'm just taking care of that particular part. You need to go to insert tab and click on chart. Now whatever chart option you want, you can do the selection. Let's say I've made a selection of this particular column chart and going for OK. A chart has been created and adjacent to document file you can see one Excel file has also been created. The reason is being from the Excel data the chart has been derived, and here you can see category 1, and in this label you can see category 1 is there. If you have mentioned, let's say this as a month, let's say June, July, August, September, so you can see the changes are happening over here as well. And this series, if you are going to make a changes, the series will change over here as well. Let's say after September, if you want, let's say October, so it will increase the size of chart, and whatever value you are going to insert, it will do accordingly. Rest of the things, there are many other things in charts, and that you can take care of by going through the chart videos. I'm going to close it. However, if you want to make a changes in this chart anytime, you need to click on edit data and that particular Excel file is going to open. Okay, I'm going to remove this and let's talk about the screenshot. This is the screenshot option. Just before this window, whatever window has been opened, let's say this is the window, it is open just before this particular file. So if you are going for screenshot, that window will be shown for screen clipping in particular. Whatever windows which are open right now, they will be shown, and whatever window as a screenshot if you want to take, you can simply select that. So that particular window screenshot will come as an image, and whatever I have taught you in the image, that whatever format you want to do, you can do it from here as well. Let me show you how to take the screen clipping. So going for screenshot, go for screen clipping. So just before this particular document was opened, so it's giving me the option to take the screen clipping from this particular window. So I'm taking the clip of, let's say, this much. So this has came here as an image and we can use it further. So this is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.